I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious stir-fry alkaline vegetables that is not only good for the body but enjoyable. All of my ingredients are already prepared. Let's begin. In a frying pan, using 1 teaspoon of avocado oil, add in 3-ounce butternut squash and zucchini, 0.80-ounce onions and bell peppers, 4 ounces of mushrooms. We want to mix just to separate the veggies equally amongst each other. Next, add in 2 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme, and 2 1/4 teaspoon of dry basil, and then add 3 teaspoons of water and mix, or once you see your veggies drying up, add some water by the teaspoons to prevent your veggies from drying up. Mixing plays a huge role to bring these veggies to perfection. Why? Because we want to distribute every seasoning we added to the pan to every stem of veggies, and as we can see, that is a process. We will now cover with lid to let it steam down for 20 seconds and we will be back. Next, add in 0.50 ounce of greens and mix in. Ensure your stove is on medium-low heat. Not sure what type of stove you have, but strive to prevent your veggies from drying out. So heat also plays an important role in ensuring your veggies come to perfection and they are ready to serve. You can pair these with your meal, eat as is, or with a refreshing smoothie. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.